Lake Osborne. Welcome to 1902 Lake Osborne Drive. Let's go inside, take a look. Out front we have parking for about 6 or 7 automobiles and a 2-car carport. The fence also opens up if you need to park a boat or a camper or a trailer in the backyard. Let's go inside. All right, into the great room. This is the living room, dining room area. Got this great view of the lake. Entry door. Split plan. This property has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a half hall bath. This side has 2 guest bedrooms and a hall bath. The other side has 2 master bedrooms. The other side has 2 master suites with a half bath. Let's go straight outside. There's a small screened-in porch on this left side, and on the back of the kitchen there's a large screened-in porch. For sunny days, there's a roll-out roof shade for a patio. Extremely large yard, pool. The screen porch, one of the master bedrooms, 2 storage sheds, and the gate in which you can put extra vehicles in the backyard. Gazebo. Let's view all the rooms. Guest bedroom hallway has a pocket door, the 2 large guest rooms can go in and out of the bathroom without being disturbed. The hall bath has a tub shower enclosure. Now we're into the very large eating kitchen. So we have the spacious nook area with extra cabinets that match the kitchen. Notice the cabinets go to the ceiling and have the crown molding. Granite tops, range, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher. Lots and lots of storage. The property has 2 air conditioners. The master suites are separated by these French doors. We have a hall and a foyer. This window could be converted to an entry door on the front porch. This is one of the masters. Very large space with very generous closet space. View of the lake. Double vanity. Double floating vanity. This bathroom has a tub. Here's the laundry room, washer and steam dryer. Here's the hall half bath for guests. And then we're into the second master bedroom. This bedroom features a walk-in closet, storm windows all the way around, with a slider that exits to the rear patio porch. There's a glass wall feature separating the bath area. Sit-down vanity, sink, toilet, and large shower space. Controlling bench opposite of the shower heads.